Hello guys, welcome back to a quick video. I've got this pot of totties here and I thought I would do a little potato reveal. They have finished flowering and I'm just going to empty them. Just filling the pot here. The pot's quite deformed. You might have to put earphones in to hear me because we're in the polytunnel and it's quite windy and the polytunnel's getting battered around. It's quite noisy, so I'll try and speak as loud as I can. So yeah, so these are roosters that's in here, roosters. I planted them probably a good 3-4 months ago, and the pot's quite deformed and they've been getting regular waters. Obviously when it's raining I don't water them, but when it isn't, been raining for a while, they do get a good drink. So yeah, let's get them tipped out and see what they look like. There we go. Now, I don't see any signs of them around there. There's one there, look. It's a big one there. Oh, there's another big one. Another big one. A few little ones. Got one of these here. I mean, I could have left these a wee bit longer. Oh, there's a seed potato there. Couple ones there. There's a few more there, one that's split. Couple big ones there. A few more. And a couple more. There's another one there. A few wee tutsy ones on there. There's another seed potato there. I think I put 2 tatties in here. I put 2 spuds in. So there we go. Not a big harvest. So there's the end result there, there's the spuds there. Yeah, I don't have any scales, so I can't weigh them. But there's a decent amount there for a meal. And it just happens they knew that they're away to have I went and got a pie there, so these will go well with our Sunday dinner. And yeah, so yeah. First harvest of the tatties. I've got another pot there, might do later on, just going to leave it a little bit longer. And yeah, so hopefully that's a good wee harvest there, and we'll catch you in the next one. And also stay tuned for the bigger tatty harvest at the allotment when it comes, and we'll make plenty of videos of that. See you then, bye bye.